what's happening? Thanks for stopping by the Easy Pro YouTube channel. Today we did some window cleaning at the Louisville International Airport at the Air Traffic Control Tower. So super excited to share this with you. Obviously, if you need window cleaning in the Louisville area, we clean lots and lots of windows, both commercially and residentially. Give us a call. We always say make life easy, call a pro. We're the pros that you should call. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy the clips. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to thumbs up and share it out. Hope to hear from you real soon. Take care. Hey guys, it's DJ again. So you're probably wondering, what exactly are we doing here? You don't see any mops or squeegees because this isn't your traditional window cleaning process. While we do have those tools and we use them when it's appropriate, oftentimes for exterior window cleaning, both on commercial and residential properties, like you see here, this is a commercial facility. So we come in with our pure water system, much like you would experience at the car wash. When they do the spot-free rinse, it's the same type of technology that we're using. Not only is it more efficient, but you see we clean the window seals along with the windows, and it really removes the dirt and grime from the windows and leaves them spot free. It's also way more efficient than a mop and squeegee, so it allows us to save you some money. So, appreciate you watching the video. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to us. We hope to hear from you.